Hey guys, Shane here for Tug's Garage. Today we are going to start demolition, tearing out this shower sink around the corner. Sink right there, getting all tore out. Right there's the sink. This here is soon to be, all this area, this corner right here is going to be a bathroom slash laundry room. And all this behind me is going to stay storage. So we're gonna close this all in, frame the outside wall, insulate the outside wall, frame all this in, build a wall across. That'll be storage, and then this back up here. And then this will be the entrance into storage bathroom area. And then over here, this is all gonna get finished off. That's gonna be our family room, media room. Gonna have an eating area down here, and over here is gonna be more storage. Furnace is gonna get moved in. We're gonna insulate and frame all these walls. Hit the like button, subscribe, stick around, because it's probably take me, hopefully, depending on funds and time, but hopefully get it done within a year, this whole basement renovation. So I'm going to try to record every bit of it I can, share it to you guys. And all right guys, sorry about that, I forgot to turn the camera back on. But yeah, I got this masonite tore out of there. Tear these walls down. Try to save this wood. Save some of this wood for other projects. The wood prices are so crazy. This tore out of here. I get that vanity tore out of here. Probably turn that vanity into either a workbench out in the garage, or clean it up, repaint it, and use it for a sink down here. But put you guys on time lapse. Finish tearing this thing apart. Well, guys, get that shower tore out of there. All gone. The vanity might hold off until I'm using it for a workbench right now. I might hold off on that, but I want to bring you guys along on my start of basement renovation in our new house. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Later. Bye.